What's up guys, this is Wycliffe from TechHood254, and in this video I'm back with another one. I'm going to share with you a website that I found that will help you make at least $1,125, which is almost $100,000 in an entire month. Now, if you're finding us for the first time, this is where we talk about how to make an income online in Kenya and digital entrepreneurship. So if that type of content is valuable to you, go ahead and subscribe right away. And don't forget to hit the bell icon just so that we can notify you whenever we post a new video, because we do that quite frequently. Now, for our subscribers, thank you for your loyalty and thank you for sharing our content. We really appreciate that. Now, right on to the video and onto this website that I found for you guys. So this website is known as Talent Desire, and I'm going to leave a link down in the description box so that you can check them out. So basically what you are doing on this website is that you are working from home, simply working as a typist or doing typing jobs. Now, if you don't own a computer, I bet this is something that you could also be able to do with your phone, depending on the type of phone that you have. However, in this video, I'm just going to be sharing with you a little bit about the website so that you can know exactly what to expect. So, first of all, you need to be at least 16 years old, and you will need to have at least a high school diploma or have at least graduated from high school. And you also need to be writing at least 30 to 50 words per minute, as well as, have an internet connection and a computer that you can be typing this work on. I'm going to share the rates of the payment on the screen with you so that you can see how much they will be paying you just to type different projects from home. And I'm also going to share the eligibility, what it takes for you to be able to sign up, and the link is down in the description. So go ahead and check out this website. There are numerous websites just like this one, and we are dedicated to bringing you as many of them as possible, because when you learn what you can use to make money or make an income online, when you have all this information, then you empower yourself and you are no longer, limited to you're no longer limited to what you could do. You don't just have to use this one website. There are numerous websites, and we will be sharing those with you as time goes by. So go ahead and check out Talent Desire. And just one more thing, if you are interested in learning how to pass their exam, because there is an exam that they will have to give you, there's a test that you have to pass, and there's seven different steps rather to the application process. You do have to apply and you have to take an exam. If you're interested in getting some coaching on that, go ahead and leave me a comment down in the comment section with the word coaching or with the word help, and I'll see how I can, sort you out on that. Guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and please share the content. Remember, subscribe, because we are coming out with more content on how to make an income online in Kenya. And I'll see you guys in the next one.